Good morning, everybody. Mother Nature has not rained down on us yet. Got the tractor fired up, warming up, and got those few little bolts I needed to tighten up on that power head over there. So we are fixing to grab a hold of it and see if we can get it set down on the tracks and finish putting this thing together. Well, that didn't last long, and we got close, but looks like we're going to call on account of rain. So, rainy day. What do you do? What do you do? Hey guys, rain delay's over, and well, 2 days have passed. That rain came in with all that cold air, and well, we pretty much just shut down. We went live Saturday night. Of course, we didn't do anything Sunday, and it's Monday now, and it was 31, I guess, 31 this morning, so it was a little nippy, so I kind of hung back and waited for spring air to come back in, if you will, and it's warmed up. I got the tractor warming up. I'm fixing to throw a log on this little old sawmill. I did pilfer with it a little bit Saturday afternoon, so you're not going to get to see the first cut, but I got a couple of little bugs worked out of it. It is still windy as all get out, as you can tell. But let's throw a log on here and see if we can do a little sawing. I was also going to show you my little cant hook here. You seen it the other day on the flea market finds. And I grabbed me an old piece of hickory there and got her whittled down. And cut off a little piece of scrap metal for my end piece there. And she's working great, back in operation. So I'm going to grab a whole log now. Well guys, we got a little bit of sawing done. Maybe I can get that sun out of your eyes and get it out of my eyes also. I think she's doing pretty well. pretty proud of her so far. I got a few little tips and tricks and bugs and things like that to work out and kind of get used to her and how she runs. And I grabbed this pine log here, and I figured that more than likely Mama's was going to want me to start on the side anyway. And curious about those little shims. I've seen a whole bunch of little fancy jigs and all that stuff to cut siding with, and the look we were going for is the live edge lap siding, more or less, and basically flatten the top and the bottom of the log and then just start slicing it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And we're after that rusty, crusty look, just the rustic, if you will. I'm sure Mama don't go for rusty crusty, but I love rust. Not my thing. But anywho, I got these pulled off and just kind of laid them on the ground as I did. Kind of how they'll go, just to give you a little bit of a general idea of what this will look like on the house. So I'll give you a little sneak peek of that here if I can get this camera spun around. So they're just laying on the ground, just rough, but leaving this live edge on there. And especially if you can get a log, it's got some knots and stuff in it, and you can really get some waves and some variances in how it lays out. But these will be horizontal on the house, and I think it's going to look pretty nice. Just want to give you guys a little sneak peek on that. I know we've been kind of quiet and slow here lately, but maybe we're back at it. Mother Nature will let us know. But like what you've seen today, guys, smash that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Still working toward that 1,000 to do the giveaway for the knife.
A little over 50 to go.
So you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow.